passive income is any income that comes from something you have been not materially involved in. It is about creating a consistent stream of income without you having to do a lot of work. Hi everybody! In this video, we are going to discuss the 5 best ways to generate passive income. So let's get started. Number 1. Rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment. To earn passive income from rental properties, you must determine 3 things. How much return do you want on the investment? The property's total costs and expenses. The financial risks of owning the property. For determining the risk, you have to consider some questions as, is there a market for your property? What if you get a tenant who pays late or damages the property? What if you're unable to rent out your property? Any of these factors could put a big dent in your passive income. Before moving toward number 2, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Number 2. Build and monetize a blog. Another popular passive income stream originates from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. It can indeed take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic or by building an email list. So, if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. Number 3. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. Selling through your own website instead of on platforms like Udemy gives you control over pricing, meaning you don't have to sacrifice your margins just because others are selling at a discounted price. Once you master the business model, you can generate a good income stream. Number 4. Create an app. If you're a developer or programmer, you might want to try creating apps as a passive income stream. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it, and you can generate income. You can go about it in 2 ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads. If your app gains popularity or you receive feedback, you'll likely need to add incremental features to keep the app relevant and popular. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the passive income stream that just keeps on giving. From sponsored videos to ad revenue, you'll find that you can make recurring income from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating content on a consistent schedule for a long time. Make sure every video you upload is well made and something people want. If you stick with it for the long haul, you'll eventually start reaping the passive income rewards. This is it for today's video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.